Hi, I'm Matt from Ellis Winters Estate Agents, and you join me here at Plot 6 East Newlands in Somersham. This is an amazing brand new detached bungalow being built by award-winning Rose Homes. Plot 6 is a rare opportunity to acquire a brand new detached bungalow in the well-serviced village of Somersham in Cambridgeshire. The property is situated on a corner plot and boasts 3 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen breakfast room with integrated appliances and a separate lounge with bifolding doors. Outside, the property benefits from a southerly facing rear garden, off-road parking and a single garage. To arrange a site visit to see this deceptive bungalow, which is nearing completion for yourself, contact your Ellis Winters St Ives team now.